Corey O'Connor from DoControl to talk about cloud access security brokers, or CASB, what they are, and how the DoControl platform differentiates from them. CASB technologies have been around for quite some time, initially focused on extending traditional on-premises security policies to the cloud. When you fast forward to today, most organizations have made a strong push to the cloud and all things as a service, so there's less reliance on CASB solutions. And traditionally, they've been expensive, they're challenging to implement and manage, and most importantly, the policies that you can set are hard-coded and limited to the number of use cases that can be addressed. DoControl is a lightweight, event-driven platform that enables security teams to orchestrate and initiate granular data access control policies to secure all the sensitive data and files within their environment. Our platform integrates with business-critical SaaS applications via APIs and webhooks to expose every SaaS event user and data activity within the SaaS estate. The conditions that can be established within each workflow allow for a wide range of use cases that can be addressed. Known and unknown threats are prevented in real time, and detected high-risk anomalies can also be addressed manually via self-service tooling, so security teams will benefit from the ability to manually intervene when they identify something that presents risk, as well as create automated remediation via security workflows to prevent the loss of sensitive data. So let's take a look. Once we log into the DoControl service, over here you can see the Workflows tab. Once you navigate over to that tab, you can see we can either start from an existing playbook, which are predefined workflow policy templates that are established based on use case here or by application. You can also start from scratch, where you identify a specific triggering event and you drag and drop all the different notification and remediation steps that you need to. Let's just take a quick look at an example playbook. Let's say that we want to look at a very simple one, which is removing the external sharing of Google Drive. So if somebody from the finance department is sharing a file within G Drive externally, we want to notify the sharer over email. This is a low-code, no-code drag and drop platform. You can drag and drop all the different notification, remediation steps. You've got the ability to integrate with other existing tools via HTTP requests. You can push incident requests into Datadog or Jira. You can scan files and check the IP address or look for potentially malicious files within the SaaS environment. And you have the ability to also create conditional looping. So if you want to scan a file to identify PII or PCI data, and if the file is clean, we want to enable that access. If it has those specific keywords or tags, we want to make sure that that file doesn't find its way outside of the business. So it's that easy. You can create a workflow in a few simple clicks. It's all drag and drop. Because it's an event-driven platform, you have the ability to address a high number of use cases. Traditional CASB policy enforcement points that are placed between cloud service consumers and providers are typically very limited in terms of the granularity to effectively interject data access control policies. And because we're an event-driven platform and we aggregate all the different metadata sources within those SaaS applications, you can create very specific corner case use cases. When you think of traditional CASB, out-of-band mode typically lacks the real-time context that you require, and it features high latency. Inline mode bypasses larger files. They lack the ability to scan them in a timely manner. Both of these deployment methodologies are complex, they're difficult to manage, and they provide a less than ideal end user experience. The DoControl solution is a lightweight, totally agentless, event-driven platform that allows security teams to create those access control policies in a simple and easy way that prevents data overexposure and exfiltration of sensitive company data. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more about DoControl, check us out at docontrol.io. Thank you.